Come together.
No enemy has ever escaped my wrath. I alone defeated the Black Cat pirates.
Focus the burn, baby. Cotton candy. Ice cream.
The thin nut in air or the itty teenies that got to you?
Xavier told me what you did last year. How you and your friends assaulted him and destroyed his mural on Outreach Day.
You really think I ran right off to the pyramids on your good word? All I had to do was wait for you to escape from sort of watcher, and you led me right to the third act, which I'm going to take from you now.
Didn't give me your note. I was surprised you wanted to see me again after you ran out the other night. So, is this a date?
It's a surprise.
It's my pleasure to welcome you to the tribe.
Sulawesi, the Minahasa Peninsula. I'm training there to be a botanical observer.
I see. With Professor Amada Munson?
I told you last time I was in Sidra that I wasn't coming back.
Yet here you are. Why?
You piloted a military mobile suit and participated in the combat.
Truth be told, all I did was steal one and fly it around a bit. The Federation overlooked the entire incident since they had won the war.
Regardless,
I've torn the Pembroke report. After the riots, my father wiped any and all traces of Andre.
Well, they wouldn't have brought it back from Shadow Lake, so that's probably where he dished it.
So what, we go back to the Shadow Woods?
You're welcome, I think.
I did lunch in there.
No, of course not.
Aqui comigo na cabine de transmissão, o amigo craque Caio Ribeiro. Vamos juntos para mais uma transmissão para você. É Paris Saint-Germain e Arsenal.
Fala galera, muito bom, tá em mais uma transmissão. Vamos ver qual é o jogo, qual é a proposta das duas equipes aqui.